I'm Khushi, and my team and I have always been super interested in seeing how we can impact those in the bottom billions. And recently decided to go down this route of contamination of water, and specifically why in 2023 there are still over 2.2 billion people who don't have access to clean water. And specifically, this problem seems to persist in Haiti, where over 55% of the water is not potable. So currently, the way that the water system works in Haiti is that water goes through aquifers and then reaches households. In Port-au-Prince, there's one aquifer called the PCS aquifer, which essentially over 2 million people rely on. Now, this aquifer and all aquifers around the country essentially hold, clean, and distribute water to these households. The thing is, though, they cannot filter out everything. And one of the things they can't filter out are heavy metals, which surprisingly, there are a lot of in the water in Haiti. The concentrations of lead, chromium, nickel, and copper in the PCS aquifer are over 80% higher than the regulations set by the UN, causing detrimental effects to everybody who drinks this water. Things like liver, kidney, and intestinal damage, and even high risks of cancer. Now, as we stumbled upon this, we wondered, why are there even these heavy metals in the water in the first place? Turns out, many industries, specifically the paint and textile industries in Haiti, tend to dispose of their water by dumping it in streams near them at night, despite it being highly illegal. Why? Well, it's time and cost efficient, and it's pretty much their only viable option. The other thing they could do is safely dispose of it, but Haiti doesn't have a central sewage system, and cleaning the water is just too costly. So instead of trying to solve the problem at the surface, we decided to dive deeper and solve the problem at its root, incentivizing factories to not dump their wastewater into the streams near them. Our sustainable business model consists of these three components. And after talking to many experts, they seem to be super excited about the way that our problem is working with industries that are really big parts of Haiti, such as the paint and textile industries, rather than demonizing them. And Stephanie Jepson, who's the Chief Development Officer at Hope for Haiti, specifically conveyed her excitement for this project and how we're taking an innovative approach to this problem. The way that our solution works is we first buy out the wastewater from these factories for around $115 per day, getting us over 100,000 liters of wastewater per day per factory. We then use adsorption processes to remove ammonium nitrate, which is a part of the heavy metals, and then remove the remaining heavy metals from this wastewater. The reason that we're removing the ammonium ions is because of the high demand of nitrogen fertilizer due to the Russia-Ukraine invasion, causing there to be shortages of nitrogen. And so with our ammonium ions, we can convert them into ammonium nitrogen to then be able to sell them to US manufacturers for fertilizer production. The way that we remove the ammonium ions is through a process called adsorption. Essentially, the water containing the ammonium ions goes through this column filled with saprolite particles, and the ammonium ions get attracted to the surface containing these saprolite particles due to its high surface area as well as its pore-like structure. This way, we can then do the exact same process except using different zeolites instead of saprolites to remove the heavy metals from the water. We now have three different solutions. We have the solution with high concentration of ammonium ions, which we can sell out to US manufacturers for fertilizer. We have this heavy metals, which we can safely dispose of in our underground injection sites. And then we have the treated wastewater, which can be dumped back into the streams so that the remaining contaminants can be removed through the aquifer. We're super excited about this problem and the way we've approached this solution. And in the future, we want to continue building out the solution and focusing on different industries as well as outside of simply Port-au-Prince and try to solve this water issue in Haiti through different industries and outside of simply Port-au-Prince. It is mind-boggling that over 2 million people don't have access to clean water in Haiti. And we're super excited to have had this opportunity to work on such a problem and see how we can drive real change in this water crisis in Haiti. Thank you.